Hi, I'm Nik Garkusha, Open Source Strategy Lead at Microsoft Canada, and today we'll be talking about dealing with change in IT environments. Let's talk about a couple different topics. Number one, interoperability. It's very important. We know that everybody talks about it, but other things such as virtualization and application deployment. Today I'm joined by Bruce Cowper, Virtualization Lead at Microsoft Canada.
Hi.
Bruce, how are you? And I'm also joined by Bourne, Principal at CMS Consulting.
Hi, Nick.
How are you? So Bruce, first question. In today's mixed environments, and I know you deal with a lot of customers that run both Linux, Unix, Windows, what are some of the topics that come up when you talk about virtualization?
Well, generally most of the challenges that customers come across and things they ask me about are support. Is it supported within your environment? So for us, our virtualization platform at the server side is Hyper-V. And so is it supported on that platform?
Just to be clear, what is Hyper-V?
Well, Hyper-V is our hypervisor. We have it as part of our server operating system, but also as a standalone hypervisor on bare bones.
Okay, so support is very important. What are some other things?
Performance. Is it actually going to run correctly and give you what you need at the end of the day in terms of performance and stability? And really the third part of it is around the interoperability and especially the management component. Can I actually sort of manage and maintain it?
That makes sense. Well, Brian, I know you deal with customers all the time, especially those that have mixed environments as well. So what's the real life scenario that you see the customers run into when dealing with virtualization?
Well, I guess virtualization is definitely a hot topic right now. Everybody wants to talk to you about virtualization. They're looking at it for whether it be server consolidation needs, green IT. Some of the new things virtualization lets them do around availability or DR also drives some of their needs. But really, when it all boils down, they're looking to building a more dynamic IT environment so they can quickly get up servers running different workloads. And virtualization allows them to do that. And definitely they have different applications and different workloads on different platforms. So they're looking for a platform that will, as Bruce said, support what they need to do. So
that would obviously include if Linux applications being virtualized or a Unix application being virtualized as well, right?
Absolutely.
Okay. Yeah. So in those scenarios, how important is interoperability then?
So in those scenarios, interoperability is key. And so that's always the first question is, okay, I have this workload and it's running on this server. Will it work in the virtualized environment? It might be worth pointing out, Microsoft's early relationship with the Zen team, right, which has helped ensure many Linux operating systems work well on Hyper-V, more than just the officially supported ones, and the officially supported ones working really well.
That's true. And to that point, Microsoft does have a commitment to support all the virtualized environments, regardless whether it's Windows or Linux and Unix, especially the ones from vendors like Red Hat and Novell.
Absolutely.
So obviously support is very important. Microsoft does a lot to ensure that virtualized guests work very well within the Hyper-V environment. For more information, you can go to the Microsoft virtualization site or the interoperability website as well.